In this video we will show you how to set both the power schedule and the user schedule on the Milano Connect touchscreen thermostat. Power schedule determines whether the thermostat is in an on or an off state. To set it, select the thermostat from the list in your eCorso app, press on the schedule button, click the add button. Now using the scroll wheel and button, select the time and the days of the week that you wish the thermostat to switch on. Click save, and now add a second entry for when you would like the thermostat to switch itself off. Again, using the scroll wheel and the buttons to select a date and time. Before finally pressing the switch button, selecting off, click confirm and press save. Once complete, you'll notice in the example here that the thermostat will switch into an on state when it reaches the selected time, and will then switch itself back off when it reaches the second set time. Please be aware that the power schedule is separate from the user schedule. The power schedule only determines when the thermostat is in an on or an off state. To set specific times and temperatures for connected devices, we'll move on to setting the user schedule. To set the user schedule, click the settings button and click the week program button. You'll see that there are already preset periods programmed into the device. Select the day you wish to change. Select the period you wish to change. Set the time via the scroll wheel. Then select the room temperature you would like the connected devices to heat to. Once selected, press the confirm button. Change the icon if required, and click save. You can then repeat this process for any of the 3 remaining periods selectable for that particular day. Once you have set the periods, you can actually copy them to repeat on separate days. Press and hold the day you've just set. This will bring up the copy menu, and then select the days you'd like it to be repeated on. To confirm that the schedule has been transferred to the device, if you just click on the programmable setting button on the actual touchscreen thermostat itself, you'll then see the 7-day schedule listed, which should match what you've just set on the eCorso app. The user schedule can also be exclusively set through the touchscreen thermostat without the need of a mobile device. To do this, press the menu button and then the programmable timer button. You'll then be presented with days of the week, with each day having 4 programmable settings as per the app we showed you earlier. When you make any changes to the time or the temperature, please make sure to press the confirm button, the tick, and when complete, press the return button. You can then press the arrow button to scroll through the remaining days of the week and make any changes you require.